Alright, so here we are in the next video. Now that we've gone through the packing list, the first video that we're going to do of that list is the welcome letter from Nutty Mike. So this is number 1 on the list, Nutty Mike's welcome letter. So let's go ahead and I'll read this out to you. Mind you, these videos I'm just doing for your convenience. In case you just want someone else to read it out loud, I'll read this video out loud. Read this out loud so you can hear. So, welcome from Nutty Mike. Enclosed is your genuine diamond. Please do not mistake it for a rock or a piece of gravel from the road. Remember, unlike diamond rings from big jewelry stores that glisten and sparkle, genuine diamonds come fresh out of the diamond mine as is and have not yet been cut or polished. Go on Google and search uncut diamond images. After all, genuine diamonds are just a piece of coal from the Earth's crust billions of years old. All diamond selections are random, and therefore all diamonds vary in weight, usually between 3 to 10 carats, color, and quality. I've made millions through the years mailing all types of funky little postcards. In fact, I'm sure you would recognize them if you've seen them. After open heart surgery, not knowing if I was going to end up at the pearly gates, for God's sake, not the other place where there is no air conditioning. I was thinking about hanging up my hat for good, if I made it through the big one. Well, by the grace of God, I'm still here on God's green earth, perhaps to fulfill a mission for the good Lord. A mission to feed all the starving kids around the world. I'd love to, but I'm not a mega monster gazillionaire like Jeff Bezos. Even if you are comparing to a multimillionaire to Amazon Bezos, you're still a goldfish if you compare yourself to a shark. After I came home from the hospital, my staff approached me. They couldn't wait, bless their greedy heart, and they asked if I wasn't going to mail any more postcards, if they could simply print their name and address on my best postcards and keep all the money. I thought for a moment, holy guacamole, that sounds like another $1 million idea. And that's how Nutty Mike's Nuttiest Postcard was born. That actually allows you to keep all the money. And the rest is history. No need to worry. This is still a new opportunity and hasn't been around too long. So you can still make out like a bandit and stack up those $1,000 postal money orders like nobody's beeswax. Thanks to all the greatest nuts of the world like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos, we now live in a technology-advanced world. Who would have ever thought that the entire world is practically now ran in the palm of your hand by cell phones? Now, we find ourselves unable to function without it. Think about that for a moment. We now use our cell phones for virtually everything, from searching the web, GPS, shopping, paying bills, sending money through Zelle, crypto, airline tickets, passports, smart devices that run your home, text messages, video, YouTube, TikTok, finding a wife or a husband, social media, working remotely, and to stay connected with the world. Even the homeless have Obama cell phones. Therefore, everything you need, including the 10,000 name mailing list marketing guide, is included on the enclosed USB flash drive in a PDF format for your convenience. Keep in mind it's not rocket science. Just mail postcards and you keep all the money from each order that comes to you. But you must mail. It must be consistent, not just a one-shot deal. Mailing is the key to success. And that's the end of the Nutty Mike welcome letter. So let's now move on into the next part of the welcome kit.